What is up, my guys and girls of YouTube? It is your boy Justin Omoe here to teach you guys and girls music like one brother to another, or to a sister, or to your mother, a mother. I want to talk to you guys and girls about mixing. Yes, so for the next week, maybe 2, maybe 3, I don't know, we're going to talk about a lot of mixing stuff when it comes to your music. Before we even touch faders and things like that, let's go ahead and talk about things that you would want to grab. First and foremost, you need the hardware. You need things like headphones, loudspeakers, audio interface. Let me go a little bit more depth in these things though. Audio interface, you're gonna wanna go a little bit up there. You wanna get at least a $500 product. In my case, I got a Focusrite Claret 8 Pre USB. That was around 900, 800, I don't remember. But if you're someone who only cares about doing vocals, maybe one guitar or something, go for a Claret 2 Pre. Okay, and they have a new line called the Focusrite Claret Plus. I'm not sponsored, I wish I was. Next thing you want to know about is headphones. Closed back headphones, good for isolation. It's good to hear things, feel great, but it's not best when it comes to mixing as clear as possible. Whereas something like this with the Focal Clear Pro here, we have open backs, meaning the mesh is open. You can see those little holes in the back there, like see through. This way, when you hear bass sounds, it won't slap into the back of the plastic and mess up your perceived loudness, meaning how you hear shit. So if you want, go ahead and find some open back headphones, for it's gonna help you out. Of course, there's also the loudspeakers, and if you got a great room and you got good acoustic treatment, like these little art panels right here, you will be able to, help yourself out when it comes to hearing with the loudspeakers. But for now, let me go ahead and mention, I'm using Roccat 5s as well as the subwoofers. I guess if you got a little bit of extra credit, you could go ahead and grab yourself one of these, which is a DAW mixer board. There's one more thing you would need to grab aside from a music program like FL Studio, but let's talk about third-party plugins, all right? Third-party plugins is going to be better because they're dedicated for the plugins, whereas things like DAW stuff, Pro Tools, FL Studio, yeah, they're great, but with the third-party plugins, you just have more dedication to better sound quality in return and more options. If you want to follow along with your boy, I highly recommend these plugins right here. Waves, the Horizon bundle, the SSL bundle, and there's a couple more plugins that are not included in those bundles that you can actually get for free right now if you're buying these things. Get the One Knob Brighter, that's a great one. One Knob Fatter is also a cool one. And the Torque plugin is another great one that I'll probably show you guys and girls in this video series. When it comes to vocals, Antares is great for it. If I do use like other plugins, I'll mention it in the future videos. So if you want to get yourself those plugins right now, of course they're always on sale, but take your best to capitalize off of these things. I wish they were on their regular prices because these plugins and stuff, they make you the money. But yeah, that's really all that you need to have and know when it comes to before you mix. If you don't hear things right, you're not going to be able to mix things right. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe. Hit up the comment section below. I'd like to hear what kind of audio interface you're looking into, or speakers, or whatever your gear is. With that said, thank you for watching this video and peace. I'm out. I'll see you guys and girls in the next one.